Good morning, winners. Welcome to Terry's Tips. Okay, guys, today we're going to talk about how to get business credit cards as a startup. Go get a notebook and go get a pen because, guys, so many of you are new business owners, new entrepreneurs, new investors. You have multiple streams of income. You're trying to do something on the side. And, guys, are you tired? Are you tired of trying to use all your own money, trying to use your paycheck, maxing out your personal credit cards, getting these high interest personal loans, trying to build your business? Look, I know you are, so I'm going to help you. What are the lenders looking for to give credit cards to the brand new businesses? Guys, when it is a well-oiled machine, the business funds the business. The business funds the business. That's a nugget, guys. And listen, business credit, corporate credit, commercial credit, whatever you want to call it, it is not new, guys. It has been around forever. It's actually the big companies use it constantly. It's only the small businesses and the self-employed people and the sole proprietors and the entrepreneurs that are the ones that don't use business credit because they don't know how. And you guys are the ones that need it the most. So I got you covered, okay? And I'll do my nugget at the end, guys. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Terry. I'm a self-employed entrepreneur, mother, YouTuber, investor, personal business credit guru, over 20 years of experience in my industry, guys. I used to work for TransUnion. I'm telling you what I know, okay? And guys, I upload brand new videos every Tuesday and Thursday morning. I would love for you to be a subscriber, like, comment, share. Let me know if this information is helpful. All right, guys, let's jump right in. So first, it's important for you to understand that there's two types of funding: personal credit, business credit. Personal credit, business credit. With the personal credit, there's 3 credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, Experian. With business credit, there's also 3 bureaus. There's a couple others for both of them, but the 3 major ones are Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax Business, and Experian Business. Guys, I want you all to know right now, write this down. Businesses use credit differently than consumer credit. That's why it's such a valuable tool, guys. It's a tool to build. We're not saying get into debt. We're saying to leverage. So for example, with personal credit, one reason why you guys are having such a hard time, they heavily rate utilization. So if you have a $10,000 credit card on your personal credit, and let's say you use $8,000 of it, guys, that's 80% utilization. Your credit score is going to tank. With personal credit, they want you to have credit, but they kind of like, they ding you, right? Like they lower your score when you use it, which is crazy, right? But with business credit, guys, they don't care about utilization. So you can have the same $10,000 credit card, you can have $8,000 on there, and your business credit score does not necessarily drop. They actually care that you pay the items back on time. But because businesses use business credit differently, that has higher utilization, higher needs, they need more money. This is why the transitioning, guys, into business credit gives you higher limits, better terms, lower interest rates, more options, okay? And many of you guys are my real estate investors. Not everybody, but all of you guys. If you're a real estate investor, great. If you have another business, you use this information for your business also. So with the business credit cards, guys, you can take money off of the cards. This is a nugget. Before I give you guys some more of the tips, this is a nugget. You guys can take money off of the business credit cards and use that for your business. Meaning you have a $10,000 credit card, and let's say you have 5 of them, that's $50,000, and you needed $30,000. You can take money off of those cards, liquidate them, and use that for your hard money loan. Use that to start your wholesaling business. Use that for down payment for a construction loan or something of that nature. Guys, with personal credit, that's a big no-no. They don't want you to use your credit cards as down payment money for like an FHA loan. But for business credit, you can take money off of credit cards and use that for a hard money loan. Guys, they don't care. That's why it's so valuable, okay? And also let me dispel some myths here, because often you'll hear people say, don't take money off of credit cards. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. But those are who's telling you that? Because when you talk to the investors, the multimillionaires, the people who are using their business credit to build, they're going to say, heck yeah, take it off, because you use it as a tool to resource and you're putting it into something income producing. Now, if you're taking money off of a credit card for a vacation, to pay down debt, for girls trip, for whatever, then no, I don't say that that's a good idea, because you're taking money off of a credit card that's unsecured and you're just putting it into something that's not going to be income producing. but when you're being strategic. What did I say? Business credit cards for new businesses. You take money off of the credit cards, right? And you can use that for a down payment. You can use that to get your commercial property. You can use that, let's say you're a daycare and you need a van. Let's say, you're a hair salon and you need equipment. Let's say you're a gym and you need equipment and you hire a receptionist. Guys, you can use the money for the business credit cards to build the business. Then your business revenues go up and then you put it back and you use more credit cards. Got it good? All right, so let's talk about, so the very first thing is you must have a legal entity. No sole proprietorships, no DBAs. Don't get hung up here, guys. If you don't have money for a lawyer, use an online service like incorporate.com or InkFile to incorporate your business. It must be registered with the Secretary of State. Non-negotiable, okay? And as soon as you have your business registered, you always get your EIN, which is free through irs.gov, and get your business checking account. Let me stop right there, okay? Stop getting hung up on the business checking account. Guys, getting your business checking account literally unlocks tens of thousands of dollars for new businesses. It shows lenders that you are a credible business. When the bank actually opens up an account in your business's name with the business EIN, that's why it's so important. If you go to a bank and they're giving you a hard time, they won't do it, you go to another bank. You speak to somebody else. Guys, you are an investor and an entrepreneur, whatever it is. I need you to be empowered to problem solve, okay? If somebody won't help you, you go to somebody else. You go to a different branch, whatever it is, but you get it done because this is how you can unlock tens of thousands of dollars. And guys, a lot of times, when you open up your business checking account, you will be offered a business credit card or a line of credit. Guys, take it. You crawl before you walk. And so a lot of times those business terms and those business amounts are going to help you build quicker. That's a nugget. So when if they offer you a business checking account or a line of credit, when you open up your business checking account, offer you a credit card or a line of credit, guys, take it, okay? Because that's going to help you look more credible and fundable on paper for other lenders. Hope y'all are paying attention, okay? Another thing is that you want to always look fundable and credible on paper. Guys, this is the key right here because you're already overcoming the barrier of being a brand new business. As a new business, I want all of you guys to understand that you are high risk to lenders already, okay? You're high risk because most businesses fail in the very first year and like 95% fail in the very first 5 years. So when you're a brand new business, 30 days and 90 days and 6 months, you're super high risk to lenders. This is why the fundability part and the credibility part is critical to you guys getting funding right away. So stop contacting me and saying, do I really need a business phone number? Do I really need a business email? Do I really need a business website? Yes, if y'all want the bigger money faster, okay? So what does fundable on paper mean? That means you must have a business website. You must have a professional email. You must have a commercial address or like a virtual address. No home address, no PO boxes, no UPS addresses. I don't make the rules. I'm telling you what the business credit lenders tell me, the reasons that I see approvals and the reasons why I see denials. You must have a dedicated business phone number, okay? Doesn't have to be super expensive. And you must have a business, the fax number, your website, email, address. Critical. Guys, they want to see as a new business that you have invested in your business. Stop going to lenders and wanting a $100,000 line of credit and your business address is Gmail or AOL or Yahoo. Guys, they want to know that if they are going to invest in your business, that you have invested. And guys, I still see it all the time. People reach out to me. So you guys have 700, 800 credit scores and your business email is a Gmail account. Well, guys are looking at you side-eye because you're asking them for money, but you haven't taken the step to invest in your business looking super fundable on paper. Guys, this is one of the reasons why you actually get denied. It's the little things, guys. The success is in the details. So yes, take the step to actually get your website, get your professional email, get your dedicated phone number, get a fax, do all of those things. Have a DUNS number through Dun & Bradstreet. Dun & Bradstreet is going to show that you are a credible, legitimate business. So sometimes these things can be done in a day. Sometimes it may take a month. Guys, you have wanted to be a business owner, wanted multiple streams of income, wanted to be an entrepreneur for 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. If it takes you 1 month, if it takes you 2 or 3 months to get this done the right way, then do it. Take the time to do it the right way, because this is how you get business credit cards as a startup, looking fundable and credible on paper. Got it, guys? The next thing is with the business bank accounts. A lot of them will lend to you based on deposits. 3 months, guys. So if you have deposits going into your business checking account for at least 3 months, then a lot of times, a lot of the business credit cards and business lines of credit, they will lend to you based on that amount right away. You get it, you start paying it back, then you can get more. That's a nugget, guys. So have the business bank account, then start putting some deposits in there so that you are a credible business. The next thing, guys, is a business Square account or a business PayPal account. You can do one, you can do both. I don't care, but this is where if you want money as a startup, Square and PayPal have working capital. You want a business Square account, a business PayPal account. Guys, their working capital loans go anywhere from $10,000 to $150,000 to $300,000. We have brand new businesses. I have clients and students that have a business. They look fundable on paper. They have deposits, or they have transactions with Square, transactions with PayPal. And then in 30 days, well, in 90 days usually, they can get between $5,000 and $10,000 to start, pay that back one time responsibly, and then you qualify for more. Could you use $10,000 in your business's name, not on your personal credit? You can even use that money to pay down some more of your personal credit to make your scores go up higher, guys. So that is a nugget. Square and PayPal lend heavily to new businesses, but you must have a business PayPal, business Square, and you must have some transactions. Get it done, okay? Because if you can't qualify one way, then I'm giving you multiple ways to qualify. Then you try the way that is going to match you. Guys, have a legitimate business. Be trying to build your business for real. These are real lenders with real money. So stop trying to fluff them. They know when you're a real business or not. So look fundable on paper. And another tip, guys, is 5-star processing. I've talked about them in a couple of videos. Guys, they will lend money, credit cards, to brand new businesses with low credit scores, guys, low credit scores. Now, sometimes are there fees associated? Yes, they may have an annual fee or a startup fee, maybe like $99. Guys, they're lending to a brand new business. A lot of times they're not doing a personal credit check, or if they're doing a soft pull, they're lending to people with credit scores are like 500 and under, sometimes 500, 600. So you're high risk because you're a new business. You're high risk because you don't have full business credit yet. You're high risk because you may have bad personal credit, and then you're saying, well, why do I gotta pay an annual fee? Guys are trying to mitigate some risk. They have to have some requirements. So yes, there may be some fees associated. You pay those fees, you get the financing, you use it to fund your business, you use that to grow, you pay it back, and you qualify for more money. So 5-Star Processing and Divvy, they also partner together, and they both give money for new businesses, but you must look fundable and credible on paper. That is the key. And then the last thing is that if you have good personal credit, what does that look like, Terry? That looks like a 680 or above, a 700 or above is better. Guys, work on your personal credit so you can transition into business credit. You can fast track it. You can fast track it if you have good personal credit, but you can work around it by having the business deposits in your business checking account, by having a PayPal and a Square, and by using 5-Star and Divvy. So I gave you a bunch of different ways, guys. Get your business, get your EIN, get your business checking account, do the fundability to the T. Guys, for your website, it can be WordPress, Wix, GoDaddy, Squarespace. There's a bunch of companies that have real quick, some of them are free. Just take the time to do it the right way the very first time, and you will unlock funding quickly. We're talking 3 to 6 months of starting your business. Got it good, y'all. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you were writing those nuggets down, because I gave you like 5 different ways to get funding as a startup for your business. Now all you have to do is execute. Okay, and for my nugget, guys, patience. I need you to have patience. Guys, many of you have had these goals for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 50 years. I have clients from all walks of life at all different ages. And then you're starting to build your business credit, and you're frustrated you don't have everything done in like a week or 2 weeks or a month. Yes, you can go as fast as you want, but guys, have patience. Do things the right way. Stop trying to fast track everything and take the shortcuts. Guys, you get out of it what you put in. Let me say it again. You get out of it what you put in. So if you put in the time and effort to have a business address, business email, business website, dedicated phone number, getting your DUNS number, making sure you have some vendor accounts, you are going to get better results faster, which is going to lead to your success. How you do anything is how you do everything, guys. So do this the right way the very first time. Get your funding and then share your results so we can celebrate you. Amen. And then you show somebody else how to do it. That's how the blessings come. Okay. So I hope that was helpful. Like, comment, share, get your funding as a startup, and have a super amazing day on purpose.